So I'm headed out, waiting on Aaliyah. I'm supposed to be taking her somewhere, but she still ain't arrived. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to take my return back before she get here, because I don't know how long she going to take. It's already 6:02. We were supposed to be there at 6 o'clock. So Aaliyah was having a rough week last week, so I asked her if she wanted to go to this candlelight symphony with me. I've been having it on my list of things that I want to do, and I have like a list of things that I want to do in the city and things that I want to do outside the city, outside the country. And this is the one thing that's been on my list for a while. It's a candlelight symphony, and this one is a tribute to Adele, so I'm really looking forward to doing this. She said she wanted to go, so we're supposed to go eat first and then go to the venue. But fun fact, when my kids were little, when I was taking my prerequisites for nursing, one of my electives was music, and so my teacher would have us go to watch an orchestra downtown for extra credit. And so I would take my kids with me when they were small to watch the orchestra. And I feel like it gave them a well-rounded sense of music, because all of them like all types of genres, just like me. I like all types of genres. So she's excited to go, and so am I. She need to hurry up. But I'll see y'all when we get there. Look at this little lady. Yeah. Hey, pretty girl. They don't know nothing about that guy. Soon I will. They don't know nothing about that one. That's the hit right there. Classic. Yeah. What's the flash locator? Right? Flash too. Right here. Y'all where I'm living. So I live in the town center, which is the mall, and like right there is H&M, and can't see it, but Bath and Body Works is right there. So by the time y'all see this, I would have moved out already. So I'm just walking right outside of my apartments. Ooh. Ooh. And this is the town center. These are my apartments. So you see the proximity to everything. I'm like right here. There's Pandora right there. Go back around here. Zoom out a little bit. There's a bunch of shops, restaurants, stores, all around here, then, which is again another reason why I moved over here, and also the reason why like my daughter really likes it over here. But I want something different, something more upscale, something more me, and still close walking distance to restaurants and all that stuff. But I just want a new environment because this is still the suburbs. It's still Pearland. Again, there's Bath and Body Works, H&M, and all the stores in the center. I'm going back. So I'm trying to find me, I'm here at Target. Trying to find a doormat. I want something that's really simple. Let's see. These two are my favorites. Force Fix is one of my favorites. This is the shampoo and conditioner I got. Look how pretty these pumpkins are. They are so pretty. I love the way this has my clothes smelling so fresh and clean. So I'm headed to get me a slice of pizza from Pizza Shop. This is Russo's, and they do pizzas by the slice. Look how big this pizza is. This pizza slice is. That's a big old slice. I'll have some of that left for tomorrow. So I'm gonna put some hot pepper flakes and some banana peppers on there. And I'm going to take y'all with me tonight. I'm so excited. I'm going to pick up my key to my new apartment. So, in a little bit, I got my keys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And they got me some wine. Look how sweet. Oh my gosh. And they got me a little note card. Oh my gosh. How sweet. Oh, my bedroom view is everything. Good to go. Had to do my final walkthrough. Okay. I got a lot So me and Larry are working on these buffets. I got 2 of them. I just put this thing together. Can you believe it? I just put this thing together and Larry putting the second one together. They're gonna go side by side. So we working on it. Look at all this stuff we still got. Look what I got. I am long overdue, so I got me 5 dozen. So beautiful. Oh, this is a vanity. This thing took me a little bit over 4 hours to build. It was daylight, now it's night. So I am tired and I'm about to tap out for the day. I built it by myself, okay? Over 100 pieces this thing came in. It's really cool because it's compact. It fits right here snugly. It's not taking up a whole bunch of space. It's not too tall. It's not too wide. It also comes with this mirror here, so I can do my makeup. And then it has a little jewelry box. The best thing about it is the chair is built in. And here is the chair. So that's the chair, and it has a bunch of extra storage. There's some styrofoam, but it has storage, and it has storage here, and I'll tag it on my Amazon storefront. Also has storage up here. I need to dust it off, but I am done with this thing for today. I end up messing this little piece up, but I'm not worried about it. I just paint it right there. But other than that, it's cool. It comes with little outlets and everything, USB, all that. And I'm not sure if the colors change. Oh, they just dim. So they're light blue and dark blue. But it comes with the chair, and then the chair just slides in out of my way. That's perfect for what I need. So I'm just so happy I have this thing. Show y'all what I am dealing with. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Look at this. A mountain. But look how nice. They're helping me get my closet thing here built up. This one is gonna go in my closet for my bags, my purses, and everything. Larry does not eat salad
at all,
and he is eating a salad with me today.
First time in life eating salad.
Got some steak and potatoes and broccoli. Larry done put my shoe. It's like a rotator. This must be upside down. This is like a rotate because it turns. It rotates. So he done put that one together now. Day 5, and I'm building these dressers, nightstands, and honestly, if I would have knew that this did not come built, I wouldn't have bought it. And now I'm mad because I already bought it, and I have 2 to build. So this is a finished nightstand. I finished this one. I actually bought these little knobs separately because it came with these little ones like this, but I really like these a lot better. They're bigger, see? And I don't know how I got a scratch right there, but I'm gonna have to put some paint on it. But I got 1 more to go. Look how nice and big, and that's what I was going for. That's why I picked this one, because it was tall, big, heavy. It looks so good, both of them. I got both of them done over there. You can't see the other one, but my room is coming together.